s by 20 minus s, it is an integer. S by 20 minus s, it is an integer and a perfect square. It is an integer and a perfect square. Case 1, s can be greater than 0, 20 minus s can be greater than 0. That means s minus 20 less than 0, s less than 20, 0 less than s. So the first condition is 0 less than s less than 20. S cannot be equivalent to 20. Case number 2 is s is negative, 20 minus s is negative. Negative by negative can be positive. If s is less than 0, so s minus 20 is greater than 0, s is greater than 20. S is greater than 20 and s less than 0. Less than 0 means s is negative, greater than 20 means s is positive. This condition is not possible. So 0 less than s less than 20, this is the case which is possible. 0 less than s less than 20. So what are the values that will come in that domain of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on up to 19. And so on up to 19. 19 by 1, it is not a value. S is 18. 18 by 2, which is 9, it is a value. 17, 17 by 3, not a perfect square. 16 by 4, it is a perfect square. 15 by 5, it is not a perfect square. 14 by 6, it is not a perfect square. 13 by 7, it is not a perfect square. 12 by 8, it is not a perfect square. 11 by 9 is not a perfect square. 10 by 10, it is a perfect square. So the values of s it can take is, now I cannot take s less than, right? So s should be greater than 20 minus s. 2s is greater than 20 because a perfect square is derived out of a square of a natural number or a whole number. 1 by 4 is not a perfect square. S should be greater than 10. S should be greater than 10, greater than or equivalent to. S is greater than or equivalent to 10. So the lowest value of s that will make it a perfect square is s minimum is 10. S minimum it is 10. I hope it is clear. Very important class today. This class will be little high level, base system, extremely useful for the students who are preparing for GATE also. Please listen carefully. And Priya, Dali Priya will get that 1 month's course free of cost. Priya, please WhatsApp me at the end of the class. She is the first person who has answered that question logically, right? So 0 less than s less than 20 and s is greater than or equivalent to 10. There are 3 cases possible: 10, 16 and 18. So the lowest value of s is 10. Lowest value of s is 10. Ruchi, yes, it will be useful for your GATE preparation also, right? Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Please write down base system. Base system, advanced problems. I want you to concentrate on every problem, sir. Base system, advanced problems. But before that, I'll just do a recap of few important concept. Suppose 23 in base system 10. If I convert into base system 7, which is decimal to non-decimal, which is decimal to non-decimal. Listen carefully, sir. If I am converting decimal to non-decimal, I will divide it with the base system that I require. 7 3s are 21, 2. So this is nothing but 3 to base system 7. 3 to base system 7. Non-decimal to decimal, it is a division by the base. It is a division by the base. I am dividing by the base required. Suppose the next concept, these two I am going to use it. Non-decimal to decimal. Non-decimal to decimal. 3 to base system 7 in base system 10. I am multiplying with power basis of base required. So this is nothing but 3 into 7 power 1 plus 2 into 7 power 0. 21 plus 2 is 23. So non-decimal to decimal, I will multiply with the powers of base. I will multiply with the powers of base. I will multiply with the power of bases. If it is decimal to non-decimal, I will divide by the base. This third class will be little of the higher level. Pay attention to every problem. You might get a lot of doubts after everything. In case if your understanding of base system is not good, I request you to watch everything in detail and make a notes of it. Decimal to non-decimal. Now, problems. Directly we will get into the problems. Problems. 3 times a 2-digit number in base system 10 is 4 times a 2-digit number in base system 7. How many A and B values it can take? How many A and B values it can take? Listen carefully to every problem, sir. 3 in a base system AB in decimal system is equivalent to 4 in AB in base system 7. So, A is there in tens place, 3 into 10A plus B equivalent to 4 into A is there in converting non-decimal to decimal, 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 4 into 7A plus B. This is 30A plus 3B equivalent to 28A plus 4B, which is nothing but B equivalent to 2A. B equivalent to 2A. I hope this first step is clear. A cannot take 0 because A is the leftmost. If A is 1, B will be 2. 1 and 2 are possible. A is 2, B is 4. 2 and 4 are possible. A is 3, B is 6. 3 and 6 are possible. A is 4, B is 8. Not possible. In a base system 7, the digits used are from 0 to 6. The digits I use are from 0 to 6. The digits I use are from 0 to 6. So what are the cases? 1, 2. Next is 2, 4. And next is 3, 6. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6. How many values A and B can take? 3 sets it will take. I hope the first one is clear. This is in non-decimal. I converted into decimal. For converting non-decimal to decimal, multiply with the powers of the prime bases. 7 power 0, 7 power 1. So this will be 7 power 1, 7 power 0, 7A plus B. 30A plus 3B equivalent to 28A plus 4B. 4B minus 3B is B. 30A minus 28 is 2A. B equivalent to 2A. If B equivalent to 2A, Anil sir, why did you not take A 0? A cannot be 0 because A is there in the leftmost place. A cannot be 0. A1, B2, A2, B4, A3, B6. A cannot take 4 because if A takes 4, B value will be 8. It is in base system 7. In a base system 7, the digits will be from 0 to 6. The digits will be from 0 to 6. I hope the first problem is clear to you. Second one. One by one we will solve all the problem. First is a relatively easy question. Second one. 2 times the AB in base system 10 is 5 times the AB in base system 4. How many values AB can take? Another model. How many values AB can take? Solution. So that no single model you will miss it. 2 into AB. A is there in tens place. 2 into 10A plus B equivalent to 5 into 4A plus B. This is 20A plus 2B equivalent to 20A plus 5B. These cancel. 5B minus 2B. B is 0. B is 0. If B is 0, I hope it is clear. If B is 0, this will become 20A equivalent to 20A. Which all values that is possible? A cannot be equivalent to 0. A can be 1. A can be 2. A can be 3. A 1, 2, 3. Because it is in base system 4, the digits that I will use are from 1, 2, 3. Digits is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is not possible because A is leftmost. So if you see 20 into 1 equivalent to 20 into 1. 20 into 2, 20 into 2. So how many values? A will take 3 values. What are the sets? 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. 1, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. I hope 2-digit number, it is clear. Next, third question. Third one. Another important question. There is a 3-digit number. It is in base system 7. If I convert into base system 9, the digits are reversed. CBE. How many values ABC can take? How many values ABC can take? Solution. Convert non-decimal to decimal. ABC. Convert everything into decimal. 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2. CBA in base system 9. 9 power 0, 9 power 1, 9 power 2. 49A plus 7B plus C equivalent to 81C plus 9B plus A. 49 minus A, 48A equivalent to 81 minus C, 80C. 9B minus 7B, which is a 2B. So if I further simplify, 2 24s are 240C plus B. 24A equivalent to 40C plus B. I hope till here it is clear, right? Now once it is clear, this is divisible by 8. This is divisible by 8. B should be divisible by 8. B should be divisible by 8. B can be 0 or 8 or 16 or 24. ABC is in base system 7. ABC is in base system 7. That shows that ABC can take all the values. Or I will put it like this. BC can take all the values from 0 to 6. 8 onwards it is not possible. If B is 0, 24A equivalent to 4C. 8 3s are, 8 5s are. So A equivalent to 5 by 3 of C. I hope it is clear. 5 by 3 of C. C should be divisible by 4. C is 0. C is 3. C is 6. So if C is 0, A will be 0. Not possible. If C is 3, A will be 5. Possible. If C is 6, A value 10. Not possible. That means A value 5, C value equivalent to 3 and B value equivalent to 0. So how many values it can take? A 5, B 0, C 3. Please let me know if this is clear to you. Again I am explaining for the second time. ABC in a base system 7. 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2. 49A plus 7B plus C equivalent to 81C plus 9B plus A. 49A minus A, 48A. 9B minus 7B, 2B. 81C minus C, 80C. 48A equivalent to 80C plus 2B. Dividing by 2. 24a equivalent to 40c plus b. This is divisible by 8. This is divisible by 8. B should be divisible by 8. 0, 8, 16 and so on. B 8 not possible because it is in base system 7. In base system 7 you will have digits from 0 to 6. It is not possible. If I take B value 0, 3a equivalent to 5c, a equivalent to 5 by 3 into c. See, what is the greatest multiple of factor of, what is the HCF of 2440 Shishailam? That is 8. So 5 by 3 into c. C can be 0, C can be 3, C can be 6. C 6 means A value 10. C 0 means A value is also 0. A cannot be 0. Only one case. A 5, C 3, B 0. Any doubts? Any doubts? We are taking the HCF of, unnecessarily we will get another multiples of, if I take Priya and Sri Shailam, if I take 4, B value will be, how many cases you will get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking the HCF of 2440. Right? Third one. I hope it is clear. Fourth question. Listen carefully, sir. Fourth one. 2, 3 in a base system B. It is a perfect square. 2, 3 in a base system B. It is a perfect square. Find the minimum value of B. 2, 3 in a base system B. It is a perfect square. Find the minimum value of B. Convert the non-decimal into decimal. 2, 3 in a base system B. It is a perfect square. So converting into decimal, do into B power 1 plus 3 into B power 0 is a perfect square. This will be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It could be any value. I want the minimum value. 2b plus 3. 2b plus 3. This is an even number. 3 is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. 4 is out. 16 is 4 is out. 16 is out. So we are left with 1, 9, 25, 7 square 49 and so on. 2b plus 3 is 1. B value is 1. In a base system 1, digit 3 won't come. So this is out. 2b plus 3 is 9. 2b is 6. B value 3. In a base system 3, digit 3 won't come. 2b plus 3, it is 25. 2b equivalent to 22. B minimum is 11. What is the lowest base in which 2, 3 will be a perfect square according to this question? B is 11. I hope it is clear. 2b plus 3. Perfect square are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. It is 2b plus 3. Any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. 3 is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. So 4, 16 all are out. 1, 9, 25 all are remaining. 2b plus 3 is 1. B value 1. In a base system 1, digit 3 won't come. So it is cancelled. 2b plus 3 is 9. B value is 3. In a base system 3, digit 3 won't be there. So it is 25. So B minimum will be 11. Even if you calculate 2 11s are 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 is a perfect square. Fourth one over. Fifth one. XYZ. This is a competitive exam question. In base system 9 is equivalent to ZYX in a base system 6. This will be 81x plus 9y plus z, 36z plus 6y plus x. I hope it is in clear. 81x minus x, 80x. 9y minus 6y, 3y, equivalent to 36z minus z, 35z. 35z. 81x minus 8, 80x, 9y minus 6y, 3y, 36z minus z. HCF of 80, 35, 5. These is divisible by 5. These is divisible by 5. 3y should be divisible by 5. This should be divisible by 5. Either y is 0 or y is 5. If y is 0, this will become 80x equivalent to 35z. This is 16x equivalent to 7z. Z equivalent to 16 by 7 of x. So x should be divisible by 7. Either x is 0 or 7. X is 0 or 7. X cannot be 0 because x is there in the leftmost. If x is 7, z will become 16. Z cannot be 16. Z cannot be 16 because in a base system 6 the digits will be from 0 to 5. Y equivalent to z case cancel. If y equivalent to 5, what will be the case? 80x plus 15 equivalent to 35z. If x equivalent to 1, how much it will become? If x equivalent to 1, I hope it is clear, right? Y is 5, 3 5s are 15. So these are nothing but 5 16s are, 5 3s are, 5 7s are. 16x plus 3 equivalent to 7z. Is it clear till here? Again I am writing the equation. Finally I will solve this one. Little bit of understanding is required. 81x plus 9y plus z, 36z plus 6y plus x, 81x minus x, 9y minus 6y, 36z minus z, 5. These is divisible by 5, these is divisible by 5. This should be divisible by 5. Y is 0 or 5. If y is 0, 80x equivalent to 35z, 16x equivalent to 7z, z is 16 by 7 of x. If x is 0, z is 0. X cannot be 0. If x is 7, z is 16. This case, that is the reason eliminated. Y is 5. 80x plus 15 equivalent to 35z. 7z is 16x plus 3. Now we will write down. 16x plus 3 equivalent to 7z. So these is nothing but 7z equivalent to 14x plus 2x plus 3. Divisible by 7, divisible by 7. This should be divisible by 7. Lowest value. 2x minimum plus 3 is 7. That means x minimum is 14 by 2. 4 by 2. X minimum is 2. X minimum is 2. What is the next value? It will become 21 because 2x plus 3 is an odd number. It cannot be 14. X will get into 18. So x minimum is 2. 7z will become 16 2s are 32 plus 3, 35. Z value will become 5. Y I took it as 5. So what is the value? X2. X2, Y5, Z5. I hope this idea is clear to you. If this idea is not clear, I will take few examples to solve this kind of equations. Do you want me to solve this kind of equations? Anyway, tomorrow in algebra, I am solving this question. 16x plus 3 equivalent to 7z. 7z equivalent to, Praveen, 7z equivalent to 14x plus 2x plus 3. 7z, it is divisible by 7. D is divisible by 7. 2x plus 3 should be divisible by 7. X minimum is 2. Next it is going beyond. There is a range for that equation. What is the range? XYZ in base system 9 is equivalent to ZYX in base system X. That means x cannot be 0, z cannot be 0. Z, y and x, we can take any values from 1 to 5. 1 to 5. This is the domain of the variable. It cannot take 6 also. In a base system 6, right, 6 is not possible. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat, so that I will discuss a lot of another beautiful concepts, sir. X minimum 2. Idea clear? Write down few questions. Write down few questions. 2x plus 5 equivalent to 3y. Find the minimum value of x. Find the minimum value of y. Find the values of x. Find the values of x. Now see here. 2x plus 5 equivalent to 3y. Anyway, tomorrow I will discuss. Just one example I will give you. Find the values of x less than 20. Tomorrow I will discuss the gap method where you will get the answer. 2x equivalent to 3y minus 5. 2x equivalent to 2y plus y minus 5. This is an even number. This is an even number. Y minus 5 should be an even number. Lowest value is y minus 5 is 0. Y is 5. If y is 5, 2x will become 15 minus 5, 10. X value is 2. X minimum value is 2. Y minimum value is 2x, 2x. This y minimum, y minus 5 is 0. 15, x minimum is 5, sir. Why I wrote 2. X minimum is 5. 2x equivalent to 10. X minimum is nothing but 5. I hope it is clear. So the equation is 2x minus 3y equivalent to x minimum is 5. In case if you want the next value, what is the next multiple of 5? 5. Y equivalent to 10. If y is 10, 30. Sorry, sir. These even number, even number, even number. Y will be 2. I will write it here. Till here it is clear, right? Now y minus 4 is 0. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. What is the next number? It should be divisible by 2. So it is 2. If this is 2, y will be 7. If y is 7, what will be the value that I will get? 21 minus 5, 16. X value will be 8. X value will be 8. If you want the next value, what is the next divisible by 2? 4. Y value will be 9. Y value will be 9. If y is 9, 27 minus 5, 22. X will be 11. So what are the values x can take? 5. Increase of 3. Increase of 3. Increase of 3. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. I hope this equation solving is clear to you. If it is not clear, I will again solve 1 or 2 questions so that it will be clear to you. 2x equivalent to 3y minus 5. So this will become 2x equivalent to 2y plus y minus 5. Even divisible by 2, divisible by 2. Y minus 5 should be divisible by 2. Lowest it is 0. Y minus 5 is 0. Y equivalent to 5. If y is 5, 15 minus 5, 10. 2x is 10. X minimum is 5. X minimum is 5. Directly you can say that x will increase in steps of 3. But I am not telling it. Tomorrow in algebra I will discuss. What is the next even number? 2. Y minus 5 is 2. So y value will become 7. Y value will become 7. So if y is 7, 2x is 16, it is 8. Every time there is a jump of 3. So how many values x will take? Total 5 values it will take. Total 5 values it will take. I hope the idea is clear to you. One more question. Please write down, sir. One more question. Please keep on writing that question. There is no dearth of the kind of questions that I can create. 3x plus 7 equivalent to 5y. Find the minimum value of x. Find the minimum value of y. And How many values from 0 to 20? How many values y can take? How many values y can take from 0 to 20? Now see here. 3x equivalent to 5y minus 7. 3x equivalent to 6y minus of y plus 7. Am I right? These are divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. HCF of 3 comma 6 is 3. Y plus 7 is divisible by 3. So y plus 7 is 0. Are divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Y plus 7 is 0. Y will be minus 7. Y will be minus 7. If it is minus 7, minus 7 into 5, minus 35, minus 7, minus 42, x will be minus 14. It is minus 14 and it is minus 7. Substitute in the equation. Minus 42 plus 7 minus 35 equivalent to minus 35. Y is minus 7. Next one, 3 minus 7 minus 4. Minus 4, minus 20 minus 7 minus 27, x will be minus 9. X is nothing but minus 14 minus 9. Y is nothing but minus 7 minus 4. If you observe, y is going in a steps of 3. Minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3. It is 2. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. These are the values y can take in this range. X minimum is minus 14, y minimum is minus 7. I hope it is clear to you. Kindly reply in the live chat if this is clear to you. Then we will solve some more problems. 3x equivalent to 5y minus 7. 3x equivalent to 6y minus of y plus 7. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Y plus 7 should be divisible by 3. So y plus 7 is divisible by 3. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. Y is minus 7. If y is minus 7, minus 35 minus 7, x is minus 14. If y is minus 7, x is minus 14. Right? Minus 14. X will change in steps of 5. Minus 14 plus 5 is minus 9. Why it is happening? Tomorrow we will discuss. Right? So it will. Y will change in steps of 3. Minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 plus 3. Minus 7 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 2. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Total how many values? 6 values A and B can take. Everybody clear, right? Please write down one more question. One more question. We did by using plus, we will do minus. Two x plus 3y equivalent to 36. 2x plus 3y equivalent to 36. X and y are natural numbers. X minimum value and y minimum value. X minimum value and y minimum value. See here. 2x plus 3y equivalent to 36. Concept. 16 plus 12 is 28. This is an even number, this is an even number, this should be an even number. 12 plus 15 is 27. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. Similarly, 2x plus 3y equivalent to 36. This is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3. X should be divisible by 3. This is an even number, this is an even number. Y should be an even number. So the equation is 6a plus 6b equivalent to 36. A plus b equivalent to 6. If a plus b equivalent to 6, a can take any value from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 it cannot take because all are natural numbers. If a is 1, what will be x value? X value will be 3. X value will be 6. X value will be 9, 3, 6, 9 and so on. So B value will be 5. Next one, B 4, 3, 2, 1. If B is 1, what will be Y value? Y, these are the series of X. Y will be 5 2s are 10. 10, 5, 4 2s are, right? B will be 5. Next one, B value 4. It will be 8. I hope it is clear. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 1. X will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. I hope the idea is clear. You don't need to solve the entire equation. Just by looking at the equation, you will get the answer. If this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, X should be divisible by 3. So X is 3a. If this is an even number, this is an even number, Y is an even number. X is 3a and Y is 2b. Y is 2b. If X is 3a, Y is 2b, the 6a plus 6b is 36. A plus b is 6. A can be from 1 to 5. B can be from 5 to 1. So there are 5 values that will come. If A is 1, X minimum value will be 3. What will be Y minimum value? 5 2s are 10. Check whether it is satisfying the equation. 2 3s are 6. 3 10s are 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. Idea clear? Idea clear? A1, B5. This is the lowest value. One more question. In fact, 2 more questions I will solve. 2 more questions. (2x plus 4y) equivalent to 131. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? 2x plus 4y equivalent to 131. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? Any number multiplied by 2, even. Any number multiplied by 4, even. Even plus even, it is an even number. 131 is an odd number. So answer is no value for x comma y. No value for x comma y. Question clear? Next one. Suppose if it is an even, 2x plus 4y equivalent to 80. 2x plus 4y equivalent to 80. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. X should be 4a. This is an even number. This is an even number. Y is nothing but an even number. 8 into a plus b equivalent to 80. A plus b equivalent to 10. So, a minimum or b maximum or a maximum or b minimum. A minimum if it is 1, b maximum it is 9. If a is maximum 9, b minimum it will be 1. I hope it is clear. Idea clear? A minimum is 1, b maximum it is 9. B maximum it is 9. Why? Because 2x is nothing but 131 minus 4y. X and y are negated with each other. If x is maximum, y is minimum. Before question also, keep one maximum, keep one maximum, keep one minimum. Keep one maximum, keep one minimum. I think I did both minimum. Please change that question, sir. One maximum, one minimum. One maximum, one minimum. I hope you got this idea. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. I hope it is clear. Yes, we can take 2 as the common. That will come back to Sri Shailam, same equation which will come. If I take 2 common, this will become x plus 2y equivalent to 40. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So again come back to the previous equation. I hope it is clear. Anyway, tomorrow we will discuss in detail. In detail, I will discuss this question. Everybody clear? Next question. Next question. 1, 2, 3 in base system A is equivalent to 1, 4, 6 in base system B. Find A plus B minimum value. Find A plus B minimum value. A plus B minimum value. So this is nothing but A square plus 2A plus 3 equivalent to B square plus 4B plus 6. This is nothing but A square plus 2A plus 1 equivalent to B square plus 4B plus 5 we are getting a plus 2 plus 4. Am I right? Can I write like this? This is nothing but A plus 1 whole square. This is nothing but B plus 2 whole square. So both will be equal when it is equivalent to A plus 1 equivalent to B plus 2. So A equivalent to B plus 1. A equivalent to B plus 1. If A is equivalent to B plus 1, 1, 2, 3 in base system A will be greater than or equivalent to 4. I hope it is clear. 1, 4, 6 in base system B is greater than or equivalent to 7. A is greater than or equivalent to 4. If I substitute, B is 7. If B minimum is 7, A minimum will be 7 plus 1, 8. A, B minimum will be 7. 7 plus 8. Answer is 15. Please see this equation. Any doubts? Ask me. A square plus 2A plus 3 equivalent to B square plus 4B plus 6. A square plus 2A plus 1 equivalent to B square plus 4B plus 4. This is A plus 1 whole square and it is B plus 2 whole square. A plus 1 equivalent to B plus 2. So A equivalent to B plus 1. 1, 2, 3 in base system A should start from 4. B should start from 7. So if I put B minimum value as 7, why 7? 0 to 6 it is not possible because the highest digit is 6. So the base should be starting from 7. If B is 7, A value will be 7 plus 8, 15. Anyway 7 plus 1, 8 is greater than or equivalent to 4. Clear. Next question. Next question. 4, 7 in base system A equivalent to 7, 4 in base system B. A plus B minimum value. A plus B minimum possible value. Try to solve. Same equation. 4A plus 7 equivalent to 7B plus 4. 4A equivalent to 7B minus 3. Now you will feel very comfortable, sir. 4A equivalent to 4B plus 3 into B minus 1. Divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. So B minus 1, if it is 0, R4, R8, R12 and so on. If B minus 1 is 0, B is 1. B1 not possible because 7, 4 base system B, that shows that B is greater than or equivalent to 5. 4, 7 base system A, that shows that A is greater than or equivalent to 8. So if B is 1, not possible. B minus 1 is 4, B is 5. If B minimum is 5, B is 5. 7 5s are 35 minus 3, 32. A will be 8. 8 plus 5, 13. I hope the idea is clear. 8 plus 5, it is 13. I hope the idea is clear. This is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. This should be divisible by 4. B minus 1, if it is 0, B is 1. B should be greater than or equivalent to B should be greater than or equivalent to 5. This is not possible. If B minus 1 is 4, B will be equivalent to 5. If B is 5, if I substitute in this equation, 4A equivalent to 35 minus 3, 32. A minimum will be 8. A minimum will be 8. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, please write down. Next one, check whether the following integers are even or odd. B is also greater than or equivalent to 8, I guess. 1 minute. What is the final equation we got? If Ananya is saying, let me see. 4, 7 base system A equivalent to 7, 4 base system B. So this is nothing but, 1 minute, if I did any calculation mistake, 7B plus 4. 4A equivalent to 7B minus 3. 4A equivalent to 4B plus 3 into B minus 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. B minus 1 is 0, R4, R8, R12, R15. Here B is greater than or equivalent to 8. Here A is greater than or equivalent to 8. Did I miss out any condition? Oh, I think now I understood. B minus 1 is 4. B value is 5. B 5, it is not possible. So I think I made a calculation mistake. Thank you, Ananya. A plus B is minimum. These B 5 not possible. If B minus 1 is 8, B will be 9. If B is 9, 63 minus 3, 60, A value is 15. A is 15, B is 9. Please note the correction in the previous. Thank you, Ananya. Yes, I did a calculation mistake. See, this is where exactly you have to keep your eye on it, sir. Base systems, this is where you might go wrong. I hope the idea is clear to you. Next one, B is 9, A is 14. Let us check whether it is satisfying. 15 4s are 60 plus 7, 67. 63 plus 4, 67. So 15 plus 9. Clear. Next one. Please write down next one. Check whether the following integers are even or odd. Check whether the following integers are even or odd. First one, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a base system 7. 2, 3, 4, 5 in a base system 7. We have to check in base system 7 whether it is even or odd. This is nothing but 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2, 7 power 3. 2 into 7 power 3, 3 into 7 square, 4 into 7 power 1 and 5 into 7 power 0. Even into any number, it is an even number. Odd into any number, it is an odd number. Even into any number, it is an even number. 5 into 1, it is an odd number. Even plus even, even. Odd plus odd, even. Odd plus odd, even. So this number is an even integer. Few conclusions we will draw after doing it. Please don't calculate it. 2 into any number, it is an even number. 3 into any number, odd. 4 into any number, even. 5 into 1 is odd. These odd, these even, these odd, and it is even. Even plus even, even. Odd plus odd is even. Second one. Then we will do some conclusion. Here base 7 is an odd number. Note. Please write down a note. Let me take a number ABC in base system X. if x is an even integer, if x is an even integer, if x is an even integer, this will be a into x square, b into x power 1 plus c into x power 0. Even into any number, it is even. Even into any number, it is even. Even plus even, it is an even number. If c is an odd number, odd into 1, answer A, B, C, X, it will be an odd number. I hope it is clear. If C is an even number, A, B, C in base system X, it will be even. That means if X base is an even integer, it all depends upon the value of C. If C is odd, answer will be an odd integer. If C is even, answer will be an even integer. I hope it is clear. If C is odd, answer will be odd. If C is even, answer will be even. It is possible when the base is an even integer. 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 Examples. Examples. We will write down the concept. If the unit digit is odd, if the unit digit is odd, integer will be odd. Integer will be odd. If the unit digit is even, if the unit digit is even, integer will be even. This is when the base is an even number. When the base is an even number. When the base is an even number. Now it will be 2, 3, 1, 4 in base system 8. You don't need to calculate it. 2, 3, 1, 4 in base system 8. 4 is an even number. So answer is, this is an even integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a base system 6. This is an odd number. Answer, it is an odd integer. Answer, it is an odd integer. 1, 0, 1, 1 in base system 2. 2 is an even. 1, it is an odd number. Therefore, it is an odd integer. Therefore, it is an odd integer. I hope the idea is clear. When the base is even. When the base is even. Now, if the base is odd, let us see what is happening. If the base is even, directly, if the unit digit is odd, integer is odd. If the unit digit is even, integer is even. I hope the idea is clear. Now, let us take 2, 3, 7, 1, 8 in a base system 9. 2, 3 base system, 2, 3, 7, 1, 8 in base system 9. Just 9 power 0, 9 power 1, 9 power 2, 9 power 3, 9 power 4. Odd into even. First is even. Odd into odd, odd. 9 square into 7. Odd into odd, odd. 9 into 1. 9 is an odd number. 1 into 8. It is an even number. Even plus even, even. Odd plus odd, even. Even plus odd, even plus odd. It is an odd number. I hope it is clear. Answer is, it is an odd integer. Answer is, it is an odd integer. You can check whether the number is an even integer or an odd integer in other base system also by knowing this logic. By knowing this logic, it is an odd integer. Odd integer. Now, one more conclusion. 1 to 4 in a base system 5. 1 to 4 in a base system 5. What it will be? 1 into 5 square plus 2 into 5 power 1 plus 4 into 5 power 0. So this is an even number. This is an even number. 5 square, it is an odd number. Even plus even, even. Even plus odd, odd. Answer is an odd integer. I hope when the base is even you can do, when the base is odd also you can do. Now write down a note. Next 10 minutes, please listen carefully, sir. Next 10 minutes, listen carefully. This is something which I discussed in base system last class. I am just revising it because I wanted to do another important point. XYZ in base system 10. This is nothing but 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 square. This is 100x plus 10y plus z. This is nothing but 99x plus 9y plus x plus y plus z. So XYZ base system 10, this is nothing but 99x plus 9y. Praveen, okay. Plus 9y, stream off ayindi. Okay, on ayindi. X plus y plus z. If this is divisible by 9, this is divisible by 9, this is also divisible by 9. Sum of the digits is also should be divisible by 9. Not only for 9, it is also for the factors of 9. If left hand side is divisible by 3, 99 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, x plus y plus z is also divisible by 3. Are you all with me? Right? That means what is that we have to write in a base system 10. In a base system 10, x plus y plus z. What are x, y, z? They are the digits. Digital sum rule is applicable for all the factors of 10 minus 1, which is 9. Please write down this point. In a base system 10, digital sum is divide by 9. Not only divide by 9, the digital sum can also be applied. What do you mean by digital sum here? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits rule. Sum of the digits rule is also applied for the factors of 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. 3 divisibility rule is sum of the digits. 9 divisibility rule is also sum of the digits. This is not important to me. Something else is extremely important to me. Right? In a base system 10, 9 I got, which is 10 minus 1. I will do one more example, then I will conclude it. I hope this point is clear. Next one. If XYZ in base system 6, this is nothing but 6 power 0, 6 power 1, 6 square. 6 square. This is 36x plus 6y plus z. This is 35x plus 5y plus x plus y plus z. So this will become, if this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, x plus y plus z is also divisible by 5. Extremely important key point. Please write down. In a base system K, digital sum is, or in other words, sum of the digits is applicable for all the factors of K minus 1. Please write down this important key point. In a base system K, digital sum is divide by K minus 1, or all, it is also valid for all the factors of K minus 1. All the factors of K minus 1. Next question. In a base system K, digital sum is applicable for all the factors of K minus 1. Question. Find the reminders for the following. Find the reminders for the following. Find the reminders for the following. First one. 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 2, 1. In a base system 9. Divided by 4 in base system 9. How to do the remainder based problems in a non-decimal? 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 6, 2, 1. In a base system 9 divided by base system, divided by 4 in base system 9. In a base system 9, digital sum is applicable for all the factors of k minus 1. Factors of 9 minus 1, 8, which is 1, 2, 4, 8. Whether it is divisible by 4, whether it is divisible by 2, whether it is 8. Answer is sum of the digits. 7 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1. I will eliminate all 9. 6 plus 2, 9 out. 4 plus 3 plus 1 out. 8 is out. 7 plus 1, 8 out. Answer is 0. I hope you got the idea. In a base system 9, digital sum is nothing but sum of the digits. In a base system 10, what you will do? You will delete the digits whose sum is 9. You will delete the digits whose sum is 9. In a base system 9, I will delete the digits whose sum is 8. 8 is out. 7 plus 1 is out. 6 plus 2 is out. 4 plus 3 plus 1, it is also out. Second question, please write down, sir. Don't get intimidated looking at the question. Students who do not know the logic, they might think that this question is a very difficult question. Actually, it's a very easy question. Next one. 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3 in a base system 8. In a base system 8 divided by 7 in base system 8. 7 in base system 8. So in a base system 8, digital sum will be the concept for dividing it by 7. When divided by 7, are you all with me? When divided by 7. So 7, 2 plus 5, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2 plus 2. Answer is 0. I hope you are understanding the logic. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. If this concept is clear to you. In a base system 8, digital sum is nothing but divide by 7. 4 plus 3 out, 5 plus 3 out, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is also out. I hope it is clear. Now very important point, please write down. This was in the previous class, one student asked me this doubt. Note. Digital sum is nothing but sum of the digits till a single digit is obtained. Till a single digit is obtained. Sum of the digits till a single digit is obtained. How to apply digital sum in fractions? How to apply digital sum in fractions? How to apply digital sum in fractions? Fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Denominator digital sums can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sum of the digits becoming 0, it is not possible. How to apply digital sum in fractions? A fraction is of the form numerator denominator. Denominator, if I am finding the digital sum, it can be any of these values. Put a star mark on 3, 6 and 9. Omit it. If it is 1, I will get. If it is 2, multiply by 5. If it is 4, multiply by 7. If it is 5, multiply by 2. 7, it is 4. 8, it is 8. See here. Please write down. If it is 2, multiply by 5. If it is 7, multiply by 4. If it is 8, multiply by 8. Interchangeably. If the denominator digital sum is 2, multiply by 5. If the denominator digital sum is 7, multiply by 4. If the denominator digital sum is 8, it is multiply by 8. Now, If the denominators are 3, 6 and 9, this will result in recurring decimal. Recurring decimal digital sum cannot be applied. Please make a point. If the denominator digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, I will get recurring decimal. In recurring decimal, digital sum is not allowed. Digital sum is not allowed. Why digital sum cannot be applied? That also we will see. Digital sum can also be applied in fractions. People don't know. 1 minute. Is it clear? Any issue with the live stream? Praveen, just check. Yes, live is going on. Okay. Examples, please write down. Find the digital sum for the following. Find the digital sum for the following: 1 by 92, 2 by 97, 3 by 184, 1 by 92, 2 by 97, 3 by 184, 5 by 81, 5 by 81. Now see here. 1 by 92. 92 digital sum is 2 multiplied by 5. So it is 5 by 1. Digital sum is 5 for the first question. Second question. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4. 4 means multiply by 7. 3 7s are 21. Digital sum is 3. Digital sum is 3. 9 omitted. 7 means multiply by 4. Digital sum for the second question is 8. 81, which is 9 square. Digital sum cannot be determined. Digital sum cannot be determined. Digital sum cannot be determined. I hope it is clear. If the digital sum is 2 multiplied by 5, if the digital sum is 7 multiplied by 4, if the digital sum is 8 multiplied by 8, if the digital sum is 3, 6 or 9, digital sum cannot be determined. Digital sum cannot be determined. 3, 4 examples, it will be clear to you. Now see here. How to apply digital sum application in polynomial equations. How to apply digital sum application. N is 2. How the students will solve these? 1 is, and they think they are very, very good in maths just because say they got some good marks in 10th and in plus 2. Getting good marks is not equivalent to a great understanding of the subject. Traditional method. Substitute n equivalent to 2. Substitute n equivalent to 2. Stupid method, even a school kid can solve this method. Method 2. ANIL NAIR's approach. ANIL NAIR's approach. We already discussed in the previous class. If you add 9 or multiples of 9, 9 or multiples of 9 to any number, digital sum will not change. Digital sum is unaffected. Digital sum is unaffected. Digital sum is unaffected. If I add plus or minus 9k to any number, if you add 9 or multiples of 9 to any number, digital sum will be unaffected. Digital sum will be unaffected. 27 is 9, delete it, 9, delete it. 2 cube is 8. Answer digital sum should be 8. Answer is none of this. I hope it is clear. Digital sum is unaffected if you add 9 or multiples of 9. Any multiples of 9, please remove it. 27, 9, remove it. 243, 9, remove it. 63, 9, remove it. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. I hope it is clear. So digital sum for this question should be 8. None of them is giving you 8. So answer is none of this. You can substitute n equivalent to 2 and cross check. These are all easy questions. But only thing is that you should know this idea. Now this is a CAT replica question, sir. This is a CAT replica question. Some students used their intelligence and wrote 1 by 10, 1 by 100 square. All that stupidity, they do it. 1 by 0.1 square. Digital sum is 1. This is also 1. 1 by 0.5 square. It does not matter, point is there for me. 5 5s are 25. 7 digital sum is 4. Here also it is 4. 8, 9, 10. Answer digital sum is 1. Answer digital sum is 1. Are you all with me? If the digital sum is 2 means multiply with 5. 7 means multiply with 4. 8 means multiply with 8. 0.5 into 0.5. Digital sum is sum of the digits till you get a single digit number. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 digital sum is 7. Multiply numerator and denominator. Digital sum 1. First option. 2 minutes problem became. Now if you see here. This is 2 is written 8 times, sir. 2 is written 8 times. 8 times. Now, generally what will be the, now 2 means 5. 5, 5, 5. 5 added 9 times. If 5 is added 9 times, 5 9s are 45. Digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. Or if more than one answer option has got the same digital sum, we have already discussed optimization approach. Check with the first two values, there is a pattern that will come. 1 by 0.2, which is nothing but 10 by 2, which is 5. 1 by 0.2 plus 1 by 0.02. This is nothing but 5 plus 50, which is 55. Only one number if I take. One number if I take, I got 5. Two numbers I got 2 5s. 2 5s. 3 numbers I got 3 5s. 9 numbers I got 5 9s. Are you all with me? Optimization method, if more than one answer option has got the same digital sum. If more than one answer option has got the same digital sum, use the optimization method. Next one, again an SSC level question, Staff Selection Commission level question. Most of the students found it very, very difficult. It is not difficult because you don't know the approach. You are thinking that it is difficult. Use the digital sum approach. M is 1 plus 1 plus 1. M is 3. N is, these 9, these eliminated, 3. M plus N is 3 plus 3, 6. Answer option 1. Are you all with me? 4 plus 1 is, answer is 6. Answer is 6. I hope it is clear. Just by looking at the question itself, you got the logic. Idea clear?